little help to step up your stretching game, then I would definitely check out this stretching strap with loops from Control Sports. This stretching strap is made of an extremely durable nylon and has a nice soft neoprene handle. I really liked how each of the loops has a number as well. This is a great starting point if you're using the guide that it comes with to really know where you should grab on the strap. It also though gives you a guide to see how your flexibility or your range of motion increases as you continue to use this loop and are able to adjust to the different numbers. What I really love is that this isn't just for one specific part of your body. I personally love to use it to stretch out my lower back as well as my hamstrings, which tend to get pretty tight. This gives me that extra support that I need to really get into a nice, deep, and controlled stretch. It helps me to reach places that I'm not always able to get the most amount of stretch and need just a little more assistance and resistance. The nylon strap is not elastic, which gives you more resistance and allows you to have better control over your stretching. It provides the perfect solution to help control and practice safe stretching. This stretching strap from Control Sports has been so awesome to help me just improve my overall stretching regimen and really progress in my stretching. So